definite integrals, areas questions. Find the area under the curve f of x is equals to sin x in 0 to 2 pi region. Now given f of x is equals to sin x in 0 to 2 pi region, its graph will be its x-axis, axis. Now sin 0 is 0, is 1, minus 1, 1 to minus 1, sin will lie between 1 to minus 1, sin 90 is 1, sin pi is 0, sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, sin 2 pi is 0. So this will be the graph. See here sin pi, here sin 2 pi, 3 pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1. So this area we are going to calculate. Now integral from value 0 to pi, sin x is positive, sin x dx. From pi to 2 pi it's below the x-axis, so negative, minus integral pi to 2 pi sin x dx. Now this integral will be minus cos x 0 to pi minus, this is also minus cos x, minus of minus cos x pi to 2 pi. So let us substitute the values. Minus cos pi is minus 1, minus 1, again lower limit minus cos x, so minus cos x cos 0 will be 1, minus cos 0, that is minus 1. So now this upper limit is 2 pi, minus cos x is minus 1, lower limit is pi, minus of minus, this is minus 1, lower limit minus, but this minus will be plus, so cos pi is again minus 1, so this is 1, this is also minus of minus plus 1, so this minus 1 will be minus 2, minus of minus plus 2, which should be equal to 4. Now area under the curve f of x is equals to cos x in 0 to 2 pi. Let's just, this is cos x, let us draw the graph, minus 1 to 1. Okay, cos 0 is 1, so 1 here, starting from here. Cos 90 is, cos pi by 2 is 0, so 0 here. Cos pi is minus 1, minus 1 will be cos 3 pi by 2 would be 0, cos 2 pi would be 1. Cos, this is cos pi by 2, this is cos pi, this is 3 pi by 2, we need some more space, so this is cos 2 pi, cos 2 pi is again 1. So this area we are going to calculate, this area. So from 0 to pi by 2, cos is positive. From pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 is negative. Then from 3 pi by 2 to again pi is positive, 2 pi. So integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx minus, since it is below, pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 cos x dx. Now plus 3 pi by 2 to again 2 pi, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi cos x dx. So cos x will be sin x, limits 0 to pi by 2 minus sin x limits pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 plus cos x will be sin x limits 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Now this will be, upper limit is sin 90, 1, lower limit is 0, so this would be 1. Upper limit is 3 pi by 2, which is minus 1, and this would be, upper limit is pi plus pi by 2, which is 180 plus theta, so minus 1. Lower limit is minus sin 90 minus lower limit minus 1 plus sin 2 pi, upper limit is sin 2 pi, which is 0, sin 3 pi by 2, lower limit 0 minus upper limit minus lower limit, sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. So this would be 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 1, which is equals to 4.